Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel We Love Computers. My name is Ravjit Singh, and in today's video we will check if the strings entered are equal or not. So we use relational operator equal to for checking the equality of two strings. So this is a simple sample program. We can see here checking if two strings are equal. First I have declared two variables, str1 is equal to hello, str2 is equal to hello. I have initialized both the variables with string hello within quotes. Now I am using if statement here. If string 1 str1 is equal to str2, print both strings are equal, else print strings are not equal. So in this case the message will be printed both strings are equal. Why? Because both the variables contain the same string hello. Now let us do it practically. Now let us save this program using file menu. File, click on file, then click on save as. Now here in this program you can see that there are two variables, two different variables. One is str1, second one is str2. Both of these variables have been initialized with the value hello. Now in the third line we are using if statement. If str1 is equal to str2, what has to be done? If the condition becomes true, if the condition holds, then statement immediately following the if block will be executed. Print both strings are equal, else what to do? Print strings are not equal. Now let us run this program using fi function key. Both strings are equal. You can see string str1 contains hello, str2 contains hello. So statement immediately following the if statement is executed. Both strings are equal. If I let us say if we change the content of variable 2 and I write by and save it and then f5, strings are not equal. So this way we can use equal to relational operator for comparing the equality of two strings, whether the two strings entered are equal or not, and appropriate message to be displayed. I hope you like my video. That's all with the today's topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share it with other users also. Thanks.